Here's one of the cards that we made at my February card class, and we used the perennial postage stamp set along with the Lifetime of Love dies. We also used these beautiful gold foiled flower cards and envelopes that come as a pack in our current mini catalog, and they are absolutely beautiful. So this whole set is one of those that's perfect to make a stack of cards for like sympathy and upcoming weddings. You see that I did a thank you card here today, and these card bases are absolutely gorgeous. So I didn't even have to do a lot to these cards to make them beautiful. We just added a few die cuts and a sentiment, and then the cards were done. Everybody got to make 10 cards, and they went home with some of the ribbon and the cards, and we always just go home with a big pack of supplies. So I would love to have you register for next month's card class. It's going to be a really cute one. And I just hope that you enjoy these cards. They're absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll jump over to my website and see all the different card ideas I have for you. And I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day.